Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia. Today I will tell you about my morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm rings and I get up. I stretch my arms and smile. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make my breakfast. I usually eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. I drink a hot cup of tea. It makes me feel ready for the day. Then I choose my clothes. I wear jeans and a simple shirt. If it is cold, I wear a sweater too. I brush my hair. I check my bag. I take my phone, keys, and wallet. Finally, I put on my shoes. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I see other people going to work. The morning is fresh and busy. This is my morning routine. What about you? What do you do in the morning? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.